Hey everyone, Lance Ippolito here. In today's video, I'm going to cover the $10 rule and how you can use it to start making money in the markets today. So I have a chart here, Village Farms, ticker symbol VFF. You hear me talk about this stock a lot, and you're probably going to in the future because A, it's one of my favorite cannabis stocks out there, and it trades so well on the $10 rule. It reminds me of Cronos Group, ticker symbol CRON, a couple years ago when it broke out from 10 to over $22 a share in just 6 weeks out there. So Village Farms, you see the green line. Back in February, March, earlier this year, it crossed $10, ran to $18. In fact, it even traded around $3 in the start of 2019. That's what I call a move there. But here we are, every time we trade at $10, okay, this is very, very important. Every time we trade at $10, right on that green line, look what happens. Here we trade, bounce. Here we trade, bounce. Here we trade, bounce. So we trade it 3 times, and what do? We bounce higher, and then recently we bounced higher. In fact, we bounced about 40% higher. So why the $10 rule? Why is it so powerful? Well, back in my hedge fund days, and most hedge funds, big institutions out there, they cannot buy a stock under $10. It doesn't look good for their clients. To be honest with you, it's taboo. It's a gray area. Very few funds can own a stock under $10. Now, I get the question, what if they bought the stock at $50 and it traded down to, let's say, $8? That's fine. They can still keep it on the books, but they cannot initiate new positions on a stock if it's under $10. In fact, I would get laughed at if I said, hey guys, let's go buy this $4 stock. They laugh at me and then turn their head and go back to work out there. But once a stock trades over $10, it's a green light for these big funds to start buying. They could start accumulating. So how do you know if they're accumulating, if they're buying a stock over $10? You need confirmation. Confirmation is everything in trading. So I want to show you what this looks like here. So you can look down below. This is Thinkorswim by TD Ameritrade. Look at volume down below here. You see how volume picks up? Volume goes from about 700,000 shares a day to over 2 million shares a day as price crosses $10 higher. Look at volume pick up here. Volume picks up, price picks up. And in fact, the shares rallied in VFF about 40% after hitting $10 in mid-July to mid-August, so about 4 weeks. That's a fantastic move, and that's when the S&P, the overall market, was very, very volatile there. So let's sum it up, let's wrap it up. How you can use the $10 rule. You have price, heck, guys, here's a little tip. When price is flirting with $10, let's say it's $9.75, $9.80, $9.90, you can get in ahead of times, ahead of the big funds. So once price crosses over $10 and volume picks up and they start buying, you're already in. Look for volume to confirm the trend, to confirm the breakout over $10, and you will have easy, stress-free trading. And you can use this $10 rule not only in cannabis stocks, which it works fantastically, but you can apply it to other stocks that you like trading for that breakout, for that move higher. Lance Ippolito here. Have a fantastic, profitable day in the markets.